What's up, everybody? I just finished posting 3 more blogs. I'm almost done with this DIY. I have to make separate blogs for each of the things because there's just so much detail to get into. But I'm doing a LED cluster swap mod blog. It's going to be a total of probably 5 or 6 different articles, and I've finished 3 of them. Let me show you what I got so far. First of all, if you want to change the color of your LCD, this is how you do it. And I go through it in detail here. I show all the pictures of me scraping the polarizer off and all the different options you have here. I also did an article on the gauge face colors. Some of you guys have asked me about this already. It's just transparent wrap on the back of the gauge face in addition to white LEDs. So I put the links there. You're going to have to visit the link to go visit it to get the links to the wrap. And then the third one, this one took me the longest to write, but this is the OEM style red needle swap. So initially those needles are amber. I just go through it and through it in all detail here so you guys can read this. But let me show you here. Here it is. So initially they're amber, and that's with the red needle swap. And then this photo right here, this is with it painted, right? And then the bottom one is the red needle swap. I still have to do 2 more articles and I'll be done with this. So this is like this is what you guys have been waiting for. This is like the 2025 version of the LED cluster swap mod. So I got to do an article still on the cluster swap. That's that first link right there. And I have to do an article on the AC unit, which I haven't done mine yet. So this is going to be good. I'm going to have to get back into soldering. I'll finish this mod. I'll write it up and I'll post it. And this entire mod DIY will be done, right? So we have the LED swap at the cluster, how to change the colors on the gauge face, how to change the colors on the LCD or use a reverse negative on the lettering. I also have the Black Cat custom carbon fiber style gauge faces. I have an OEM style red needle swap, and I'll also have a write-up on how to do the AC unit. That's a lot. This is my current look right now. I don't know if you guys have seen this photo before, but it's really clean. I like the way it came out. The red needles are huge or bigger than stock, wider than stock. And then that Black Cat custom gauge face doesn't have the kilometers per hour markings on it. So it's just a really clean, simple setup. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the blog. It's a lot of reading. It's a lot of pictures. It's a lot of descriptions. But if anybody ever needs to do these mods, I've listed it out and you guys could have fun with it. Thanks for your support.